Welcome to Earn Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng unlimited seafood for as low as 599 pesos? This is for you.
Guys, this is Fish and Fair. Located po dito sa may Angeles City. And if you wanna know more kung ano mga sinerve nila sa amin dito, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So dito guys, available yung mga live crabs natin. Ito yung aquarium. Ayan sila guys. So make sure na talaga yung mga crabs natin, mga seafood natin, fresh bago sila iluto. This is so good.
Yes, so full table tayo ngayon. So syempre, before natin naman tikman sila, ipapakilala muna natin kung ano yung mga sinerve nila dito sa Fish and Fair.
Ayun, so umpisa natin dito. Ito ang ating ensaladang pako. Ayan, so meron din tayong fish and flame fried rice. Of course, meron tayong sinigang na hipon. Ito guys, bago sa atin. Ito ang kanilang ensaladang Pinoy. No? And then meron tayong baby back ribs. Grabe. This one, kinilaw na blue marlin. Meron din tayong seafood pesto. Alige pasta. Ito guys, bulalo. Available dito. So, meron din tayong buffalo wings. This one is their fish and fries. Dinakdakan.
Yes,
dinakdakan. Yung dinakdakan. And then, ito yung kanilang crispy tawilis. Later on, ayan, babalikan natin yung mga seafood platters natin. But moving forward, meron din tayong crispy pata. Ito naman yung kanilang drunken shrimp. Meron din tayong crispy crablets. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating Kapampangan sisig. Ito siya. We also have a sizzling squid. Ito yung calamares with fries. Meron din tayong salad, which they call it shrimp salad. We also have their signature Fish and Fair salad. And of course, alige rice. Ayan. So, partner po nila dito ang Cafe Boulevard. So if you're craving for coffee and other refreshment and drinks while you are enjoying yung table natin dito, guys, order from Cafe Boulevard. Brother, are you ready?
So ready na ako. Siyempre, later on, papakilala naman natin yung mga unlimited seafood nila. So, let's go! As you could see sa harap natin, ito yung mga seafood natin. So, if you want some unlimited crabs and shrimp for only 799 pesos, eat all you can. Pero kung gusto niyo naman ng mixed seafood for only 599 pesos, goods na for unlimited. Kung hindi naman kayo mag-unlimited, available din yung mga platters nila. So, they are available for 999 and 1399. Tikman na natin sila.
Yes, wow! Laki oh. Laki ng inipit ay sipit. Anong sipit? Okay.
Napakataba nila. Let's taste it. Sarap.
Mark, sa mga sinerve nila, ano ba yung naging favorite mo?
Ako syempre, naging favorite ko yung unlimited seafood nila.
Yes.
Imagine, 599 pesos, mixed seafood, unlimited, eat all you can. Eh talagang sulit na sulit na.
Actually, honestly, pareho tayo ng napili. No? So para sa akin guys, if you wanna go here, para masulit nyo po yung pagpunta nyo dito, go for the mixed seafood, no? Either go for a platter or dun sa unlimited. So
Yes.
depende po sa appetite niyo. So
Yes, kung kayo naman naghahanap ng mga a la carte naman, eh available din sila dito sa
Exactly,
mga
exactly.
fish and fair.
sa mga a la carte guys, alam niyo naman guys, mahilig ako sa mga soup. So yung bulalo nila, legit na bulalo. So yun guys.
So kung gusto naman pumunta dito sa may Fish and Fair, located lang siya dito sa may second floor ng MRI Building, Arayat Boulevard, Pampang, Angeles City.
Yes.
And they are open from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
So ayun guys, if you are craving for seafood and you wanna go unlimited, this is another place for you to check out. This is Fish and Fair. Go put it in your bucket list.
Yes.
And we hope to see you here.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.